Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you have seen a couple videos and I'm wearing the same shirt, I do not wear the same clothes every day. I got a ton of mail and I am getting as many videos filmed as I can today. So I'm filming quite a few videos today, and that is why I have the same shirt on. I just felt like I needed to make that preface. But this video is going to be all about Ipsy. I have my Glam Bag Plus and my regular Glam Bag. Now, I got my Glam Bag quite some time ago, at least a week or so ago, and finally this caught up yesterday. I wanted to wait so I could do them together so that I could do a face of makeup with them. Now, if you're interested in seeing, I did do a full face of everything that I could use out of these two bags, and that is what I have on right now. If you want to see that video, I will link it in the description box below. If you go down there and don't see the link, that is only because I am uploading a ton of videos today. Some take longer than others to upload, and as soon as everything is uploaded, I will link it down below. But you can also just look for the video on my channel. It will be the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus makeup try-on video. But anyhow, so let's just go ahead and start. These are for the month of July. Their July theme is Stay Golden. Stay golden, stay golden, stay golden. What? So you do get cute little bags with Ipsy. They are both kind of like a stay golden theme. I really do like the little pull tab on the smaller one. It's got like a little, I don't know if I can show you, like a little blue stone, and it's like a little sun symbol. Anyhow, if you're not familiar with Ipsy, it is another subscription where you can get makeup and skincare items. This is $12. So for $12, you get mostly sample sizes. Every now and then, you do get a full-size product, and you also do get the makeup bag with it. So like I said, $12, you do get to customize one item in the bag. And so we will go first off with the item that I chose. It is by Tarte Cosmetics, and it is their Sea Quenching Primer. This is a very hydrating primer. I did use it for my makeup look today. At first, I was not 100% sure about the consistency of it. And, you know, I just wasn't sure about it, like being able to cover pores and fine lines. However, I ended up absolutely loving it when the look was all done. I do feel like it hydrated my skin and gave my skin a beautiful luminosity and a beautiful place to start with my makeup application. So I think I actually will probably buy a full size of one of these. I actually do really, really like it. It does have a, I just literally put it up my nose. Oh my God, Jeannie, get a grip. Okay. It does have a slight smell, but definitely nothing overpowering, almost non-existent, really. It has a very gel, slippery gel-like consistency, and it is very cooling and refreshing to the skin. So there was that. The next item in the box was Brow Chow by, who is this by? Huh. Item? I don't know. I don't know who it's by. It looks like it says Item. But this is Brow Chow. It was in the color Warm Blonde. I was really actually nervous about it because the color looks a little dark for me. I need super light coloring for my brows because I really barely have any there naturally. So I felt like this was going to be too dark. I went in really light-handed. I do have it on right now. I was a little bit pleasantly surprised. I felt like it was easy to work with, but I do feel like it's not necessarily my color. This was Warm Blonde, and maybe I needed like an ash blonde or a cool blonde if they have those in this. But I do feel like the formula was very nice and easy to work with. And I feel like if I go in light-handed, I could definitely get away with the color. It just wasn't the color that I would probably pick for myself. But I was really happy to get this. I think they said it's a sample size, but it seems like it would be a full size to me. So I was pretty happy with it. I do think that I have other brow products that I would reach for before this, only because of the coloring, not the formula. I think the formula is a very nice. I think it buffed out and blended. I think that it was very easy to work with. So I might be interested in getting one of these in a different color. I might have to check that out. So moving on, the next item that I got was from Hey Honey. I was a little disappointed in the size of this. I know that, you know, it's $12. I mean, sometimes I think maybe I'm expecting too much. So for $12, you know, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit, right? But this is the Hey Honey Relax. This is a soothing moisturizer. It's said to target red and irritated skin. I don't necessarily have a red skin problem. I did use it before my makeup application in the video with all of the try on with this, and it did feel really nice on the skin. I can't say I was a major fan of the scent. It smells okay. It doesn't smell bad. Don't get me wrong, but maybe a little bit more than what I like for my face products. However, my husband has kind of like a, not a problem or anything like that, but he's got a little bit redder, blotchier skin. So I might have him give this a try. It might feel really nice to him and it might work really well. So with the remaining product, I'm probably going to give this to my husband and he might really, really like it and want to buy some more. You never know. So the next product in the box was by Meg Cosmetics, and this is their Marine Cleansing Balm. Now, I did use this last night, and let me tell you, I suffer from dry skin everywhere, on my hands, on my elbows, on my face, and I love this. I am definitely going to purchase this in the full-size version, although you only need a very little bit, so I could probably get away with using this for at least a few weeks. You need like a dime size amount. It is a very small amount in here, but I felt like it cleansed my face without stripping anything, because when you have dry skin, don't get me wrong, a foaming cleanser feels amazing. It feels so good to feel like you're getting everything sucked out of your pores and all of that, but it also can be very drying and stripping to the skin. Now, I already have dry skin, so I have to be very careful. This felt like it cleansed amazingly without any kind of stripping or anything like that. So I really, 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 really enjoyed this. I will definitely be purchasing that. And the last item in the box was by It Cosmetics, and there it is, their Lash Blowout. I do have it on right now, but I did pop on falsies on top of it for you know, afterwards. But in the video where I showcased and used all of these, I did use it, and if you want to see how it looks without the lashes, you can just check that video out. But I do really, really like this mascara. I have been really enjoying falsies lately and been wearing them a lot more, but I still do just have regular mascara days, and I will definitely be using this, and I would definitely purchase a full size of this. Okay, so that is it for the $12 Ipsy bag. Again, I mean, really, for $12, you really can't beat it. You get a cute bag, and then, you know, at the end of the year, you've got 12 of them that you don't know what to do with, so maybe you give them to your niece like I do. I don't know. But you can't beat it for $12. And really, even though you're getting a lot of smaller samples, you're able to try high-end products out and find out if you like it before you go and purchase a full-size product of it. So I really like that. Now, this is Ipsy's $25 option. It comes in a little drawstring bag. Can I talk today? Probably not so well. Anyhow, so this is the Stay Golden bag. You are guaranteed 5 full-size beauty and skincare products in this. And with this one, you are able to customize 3 of them. I love that. Like, that is freaking awesome. They pair you with 2. It is profile-based. You're able to put your likes, your dislikes, your skin color, your hair color, your eye color, all of that. And it's supposed to be completely profile-based. And I do feel like they do a really good job over at Ipsy with being profile based, basically, with, you know, giving you things that you say you want and you like, and going by your skin tone and your hair tone and your likes and dislikes. They do probably a little bit of a better job than BoxyCharm. I love Boxy. I'm not dissing you, but I feel like Ipsy does a little bit better with profile basing things. But anyhow, okay, so let's go in with the two things that they picked for me. The first one is by Tula Skincare. High-end, wonderful products from Tula. This is their Rose Glow Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I did use this today underneath my eye makeup. It does say that you can use it underneath your eyes or underneath your makeup or on top of your makeup. It says you can use it underneath your makeup and then throughout the day add more for a refresher. It is said to cool and smooth your underneath your eyes, and let me tell you, it doesn't have a smell. I used it earlier, but I couldn't remember if it had a smell. I've used a lot of new things today, so forgive me. But it felt amazing. So, and I also was very curious to see if I could apply it and then if my makeup would apply well over it, and it did. I did not have one problem with my makeup not applying right or looking cakey over it. Now, it does say that you can apply throughout the day over your makeup. So let's put it to the test really quick. I have my eyes concealed and set with setting powder. Oh my God, let me just tell you, this is the same thing that happened earlier. I didn't want to stop putting it on when I started. There is an amazing cooling effect with this product. It goes up and down. It feels so freaking good. And I just put it over setting powder and it looks like I didn't put anything on. I'm pretty impressed. Holy shit. Wow. You guys, I just put that on over setting powder. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed with this. I really, really, really like this product. I'm not sure what the retail value is because they don't send a card like BoxyCharm does. I would have to look it up, but I'm sure it's probably around 40 bucks or something like that. I'm in love with this. This is something that I will definitely repurchase after mine is gone. And then the other thing that they picked for me was from Il Makiage. It is their Black Card Mascara. I did try it out earlier. I used one mascara on one side, and then this one, I used the other mascara on this side, and this one on this side. I am having a hard time getting these words out right now, but the only problem, I felt like the formula was very nice, but this is just not my type of brush. It's one of the really skinny ones, and if you can see, one side has combs and the other side is completely flat, so it's a little bit of a different type of brush. I felt like it did an okay enough job. I really do like this brand, and I don't want to like say anything bad about this because I felt like it did do a good job, but it could just be a user error. I'm not used to brushes like these because I don't often use them. I really do prefer the thicker brushes. So, but even though it's not my style of a brush, it did a good enough job to where I was like, okay, you know, I wouldn't wipe this off and reapply something else instead. Like it was okay. So not necessarily what I would pick for myself just because of the wand, but not so bad. Now let's move on to the 3 items that I picked for myself. This one is from Symbiosis London. I don't know if I said that right. Symbiosis. I think I did. Anyhow, this is their depuffing and a dark circle relief eye serum. Now I have been using their resplendent and tightening and resplendent eye mask for a few weeks now. I absolutely am in love with that product. I will definitely be repurchasing. So when I saw that this was up for a choice, I definitely wanted to grab it just because I know I love their products already. It smells like heaven. Oh, it literally, their products, this smells very similar to the other eye mask that I have. And the other one is an eye mask. This is an eye serum, you know, whatever. But I felt like I really did see results from the other one that I was using, the tightening and resplendent eye mask. And I loved the way that it felt. So I definitely wanted to give these a try. I can't remember the retail value, but I know it's definitely up there. These are very expensive, but they're worth it. They're like bougie. And then the next thing that I grabbed for myself was Dr. Eve Rayuth. And this is a vitamin C nighttime moisturizer. I know it has hyaluronic acid and it's supposed to be just like a nighttime moisturizer. I think if I am remembering correctly, it had a retail value of around $80 or $90. So that is probably why I picked it. Anytime I see like, you know, really expensive skincare products up for choice, I 9 times out of 10 grab them, because even if I'm using a ton of skincare right now, I can just save this. I have not even opened it yet. There is still the safety seal on it, and I'm going to hold off on opening this for a while because I do have 10,000 skincare products open, and you can only use them for so long before they go bad. So I'm going to hold off, but I'm very excited to give it a try when the time comes. And then the last product that I chose, I do have on right now. I have made this eye look with it. And I will just say that I saw another YouTuber who does unboxings unbox this. And she said, it's kind of patchy. It wasn't the worst, but it wasn't the best. And I had a completely opposite experience. I thought that it blended like a dream. The colors were vibrant, non-patchy, absolutely stunning and beautiful. It is the Golden Hour Mango Butter Eyeshadow Palette by Beauty for Real. Beauty for Real. Okay, what am I saying right now? This is what the palette looks like, and it has some of the most stunning shimmers that I have seen in a long time. You can see it has been used because, like I said, I did my look today with it, but just for the purpose of the video, I will do some swatches. Let's check out how gorgeous this blue color is. Whoa, look at that. Oh my goodness. Now this is my favorite color in the palette. It is called Pink Sands, and it is a pink iridescent color. And I know the camera won't be able to pick up what I see or what it looks like in real life, but it is pink with gold and green and blue, and like it is like a total true iridescent color. I'll see if maybe swatching it could give you even just an idea. Of course, it's not going to do it justice, but you can see it is stunning. I am so outdone with this palette, you guys. Let's check out this gold color. I'll go right in the middle here. You guys, I was really impressed with this palette. Not only are the shimmers out of this world, the mattes blended super easy and like a dream. And if you don't believe me, check out the video, my Ipsy try-on video for July. Like I said, I will have the description. I will have the link in the description box below once all of the videos are uploaded. But if you don't see it down there, maybe just search the video. I'm going to have a lot of videos uploading today, so I will get to getting the link in the description box. But you can see for yourself because I put it on camera. Holy shit, it blends like a dream. This little palette is, I am outdone by it. I'm really impressed. Yeah, so that's it for July Ipsy. That is the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. I was really happy with my products and really impressed with the way that everything worked out with them. So thank you so much, Ipsy, and that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you keep your eye out for my July giveaway. It's going to be so amazing. Lots of high-end products in that giveaway, so you won't want to miss out. And until then, stay safe, stay beautiful, and I will see you soon.